Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome. Today, yes, today it's weekend. Today it's Saturday, July the 17th, 2021. Yes, we have here in this newspaper one, well, it's actually two regular Sudokus, a medium Sudoku, but also a quintuplets, and I've told you earlier I won't do them anymore because quintuplet, there are five quintuplets, five Sudokus merged into one whole big quintuplet, and I need more than 1 hour to solve these kind of puzzles. So I've told you too much for me, and well, only one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, and I have not seen all the pages in the newspaper. Probably there are also extra Sudokus in the additional, but this one will be a number 3110. 3110. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. And if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this one with 26, it's a 2 stars Sudoku. And for 2 star Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Yeah. Okay. Let me see. Let me start with the three. 3 in this row. Third row. 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Okay. We have an 8 in this row, an 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Okay. Then we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there, 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next, so in that column. The only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Alright. Then I cannot continue with the 1. How about the 3 in this row? 3 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. The last row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. There 3, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. We have another 3 there in this column, so no 3 here. The only place for the 3 should be here. Alright. Yeah. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here a 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. So we have a 7 in the last column, 7 in one of those two boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 9. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. Here also a 9, so no 9 here. The only place for the 9 in this column should be there. Alright, 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And we have a pair. 7 and a 9 in this row, 7 and a 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 7 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and a 7, okay. Okay. 5, 5. 5, 5. Then 5, 6, 3. 5, 6, 3. 5. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. There are 5, no 5 in that box. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 7. So the 7 goes there. 2 and a 6. Okay, 2 and a 6. 2 and a 6. Okay. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 4 should be there. So these 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 5 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 258, 258, 258. That means in this row, 1 number left, 258. This should be a 6. Alright, 6. 258, okay. Then. Okay. 2, 6. 2, 5. Okay. 2 numbers left in this row. 2 is missing and the 8 is missing. 2 and the 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 8. 6 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and the 5. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 2 and 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 2 goes there. 1 number left in this last column for the number 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Alright. 7, 7, okay. 5, 5. In this column, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. Alright. One, two, 4, 6. 1, 2, 4, 6. 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9. 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9. And look, we have a 6 and a 9 here in this column. So no 6 and a 9 in this box. The 6 and the 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 6 and a 9. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 9 goes there, 1 box left in this last row for the number 1. Okay, so we have a 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 1. Alright. Alright. I'm thinking. How about the number 2, 3, 7. Oh, I'm thinking. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. Okay. So we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. The 2 and 6 are missing. 2 and 6, let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 2, 5, 2, 5. The 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. This is number 2, number 8. Alright. Then we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 6. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column for the number 6 and the 4. 6 and the 4, we have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. 2 is missing. 2 in the third row, 2 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, we have a 6 there, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 4 and 7, 4 and 7, we have a 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here. So this box can be 7 anymore, that box should be a 7, and this box should be a 9. 2 boxes left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row for the number 6 and 3. 6 and 3, and look, we have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 3. And let me see, 1, the 2 is missing. 5 and the 7, 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7. We see here 2, no 2 there, here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. 5 and the 7 are left. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well, definitely a 2 stars, because I've told you between 15 and 20 minutes I need to solve this puzzle. It's my time limit. 16 minutes. I'm very pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudoku to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the medium Sudoku, for the heavy Sudoku, for the light Sudoku, for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the letter Sudoku, for the killer Sudoku, for the tectonic, binary, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and you will find them all. Don't forget to subscribe. You will find them all. And yeah, thank you for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Saturday, and we will meet again later on with the other puzzles in the additional. Have a great weekend. Bye bye for now.